How to log in Jamuna Bank career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log in Jamuna Bank career. Login in Jamuna Bank career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Go to official website. In the address bar of your browser, type Jamuna Bank career login into the address bar and press enter. Click on the first link. Navigate to career section. Once you are on the homepage of Jamuna Bank website, look for Sajin. This is usually located at top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Enter your credential. If you already have an account, enter your username and password in the designated field. Make sure to input the correct information to avoid any login errors. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. And if you haven't created an account yet, click on Create Account. Click on the Login button. After entering your login credential, click on Login button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your profile. Upon successfully login, you should be directed to your dashboard. Here you can view your job application status, update your information and apply for new jobs. That's it, you have successfully logged into your account. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and share button. Also hit the subscribe button for more tutorials.